Take a look at the sales graph of a company called Nidhi and its sales performance over the 3-month period from September to November. You will be able to notice a massive spike of $1,557 in sales of the company from 1st October to 1st November. Sounds good? Well, it gets even better. Now, take an even closer look at this graph showing the sales of a company in a very competitive space with a commodity product, t-shirts. The US-based t-shirt company was able to see a lift of $3,426, which was nearly 3x the amount that they had achieved before. So, what's the catch? The results you saw just now were after these companies decided to build a strong presence on Facebook and Instagram. They ran multiple A/B tests of audiences and ads to find the winning combinations, targeted specific groups, and ultimately saw a boost in their company's gross margin. But why am I telling you this? It's because if you are a business owner, your customers and your potential customers are expecting to see you online. In this video, we are solely focusing on Instagram. So if you are a business owner waiting for your business to blow up this year, this video is just for you. Keep watching as I unravel why your business needs to be on Instagram right now. We'll start with the most basic question, why Instagram? Why should you and your business even bother being on Instagram? Statistically speaking, Instagram has a whopping 500 million active users who use Instagram on a daily basis, out of which over 200 million Instagrammers visit at least one business profile per day. To put it plainly, Instagram is at that perfect spot where everything seems to fall in place. A decade ago, Instagram was just a photo sharing platform with teens posting selfies of themselves and more specifically their pets. But now it's 2022 and Instagram is way more than what it was initially. According to Sprout Social, in 2022, 70% of shoppers choose Instagram for their next purchase. According to Hootsuite, 44% of people use Instagram to shop weekly. This brings me to a very important point that I need you to understand before we dive into the Instagram ecosystem. The time to build Instagram for your business is now. Look at Facebook now and how hard it is to build an audience over there. There's no organic reach left to capitalize on. But everyone who built a community on Facebook over the last decade is reaping the benefits of a strong social media platform. The same would be the case with Instagram as well. A few years down the line, it is going to be one hell of a battle to build your community from scratch over here. But if you do it now, you will be able to avail those benefits which Instagram has to offer many years from now. The question here is, will it still offer the benefits? Of course it will, silly. Currently, there are more than 1 billion active users on Instagram. Moreover, over the years, Instagram has made a lot of strategic moves to ensure that everyone continues to spend time on Instagram more than any other platform. Not convinced? Think about it this way. Instagram was launched in October 2010. Then in 2011, Snapchat came along with stories. Then Instagram tried to buy them and they failed. So Instagram just decided to copy them. And then came Instagram stories, making Instagram go, hey, why don't we bring every feature together in one place? So when TikTok started gaining popularity, Instagram brought in Reels. Similarly, YouTube became IGTV, Facebook Marketplace became Instagram Shop feature, Twitter Explore page became Instagram Explore page. Oh, and you know how Zoom and other video conferencing apps suddenly became the thing in the post-COVID era? Fun fact, Instagram has that too. So what's the takeaway? It's pretty obvious by now Instagram is here to stay. And with all these features gaining popularity, starting Instagram for your business is going to be tricky and a tougher skill to master. But grow your community now, and after some years, you will be having a strong social media presence and a faithful following to sell your products seamlessly. Sell yourself before you sell your products. It's that simple. Also, if you wish to learn Facebook ads completely step by step, then check out my beginner's course on Facebook ads by clicking over here, and that's how you will be able to grow your Instagram followers quickly. And also, if you want to learn how to set up Instagram account from scratch and then build it up, then click over here. Until next time, bye bye.